Good morning, student. In our last video we discussed about the earth. So as you know that I said in our next video we will discuss about the solar system, because if you're knowing the earth, so it is necessary to know about the solar system. So here in this picture you can see the solar system very clearly. You can see the all 8 planets here. There are 8 planets and this is sun. As you know, the sun is a star. Yes, sun is not a planet, it's a star, and one of the many stars that form the Milky Way. And maybe you have seen in the universe that cloudy image that is called Milky Way. See here in this picture, see all planets. This is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And this line, you see there is a line that is called orbit. So all planets move around the sun, and so do the comets. Maybe you heard the name of comets. Comet, it is a धूमकेतु. उसको हिंदी में धूमकेतु कहते हैं. तो कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा टूटता हुआ तारा, उसे धूमकेतु कहते हैं. Well, the sun and everything that revolve around it is what we call solar system. The sun and everything that revolves around it is what we call solar system. So there are 8 solar planets that orbit the sun. Yeah, this all 8 planets that orbit the sun. इस sun की परिक्रमा करते रहते हैं. Okay, so there are in order from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, यूरेनस एंड नेपट्यून. जो ऑर्डर है, जिस ऑर्डर में ये सारे प्लैनेट्स हैं, मैं आई एम टेकिंग द नेम इन दैट वे, इन दैट ऑर्डर आई एम टेकिंग द नेम. दैट इज मर्करी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपट्यून. सो द प्लैनेट्स ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इन 2 ways. We can classify the planets in 2 ways, that is inner planet and outer planet. So what is inner planet? You can see here, inner planet are those that orbit close to the sun. The orbit close to the sun, you can see 1 2 3 4. These 4 planets are very very close to this sun, so these planets are called inner planet. And the outer planet are those that orbit far from the sun. These 4 are very very far from the sun, so the nearer one are called inner planet, and the far planets are called outer planet. So inner planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, this are called inner planet, and outer planet Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these planets can be classified in 2 ways, inner planet and outer planet. Those planets are very near to the sun, they are called inner planet, and those planets are very far from the sun, they are called outer planet. So these planets are these outer planets. You can see mostly the outer planets are very very big in the size. When you will compare with this inner planets, see the Mercury, the Mars size is very very small in comparison of this outer planet. So they are very big, huge in size, and gaseous and ringed and have many moons. See, mostly these 2 are ringed. There is a ringed around this planet. So very easily we can classify these planets in 2 ways, the inner planet and the outer planet. Inner planets are small in size and they are very near to the sun, and the outer planet, they are very very far from the sun, and mostly they are in a huge size and gaseous form, and they have many moon. So you have learned from this solar system, you have learned the following. First, the solar system has a elliptical shape, and the sun is the center of the solar system. This sun is the center of the solar system, and the planet and their moons and their space object orbit the sun. All planet orbit the sun. Each and every planet orbit the sun. Okay, so there are 8 planets that orbit the sun. The planets in order from the sun is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Once again I am taking the name because we have to know their orders. Simply we are knowing the name, but it is necessary to know the orders of the planet, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So very good, and you also prepare it, okay, how they comes in the order. Then the planets of the solar system can be classified in two ways, that is inner planet and outer planet. Okay, so why they are called the inner planet? Because they are very very near to the sun. And why they are called the outer planet? Because they are very far from the sun. And when you will see the size, we can easily compare their size. The inner planets are very small in size in the comparison of the outer planet. You can see all these four planets size are very very big than this inner planets. So this is the today's topic, and I know that I think that it is very very easy to prepare, and after watching this video you can see it. So after watching this video, everything will be very clear to you, about the sun, about the earth and about the other planets. So there are 8 planets, and these planets can be classified in two ways, that is inner planet and outer planet. What planets are called inner planet? You know that the planets which are very very close to the sun, they are called inner planet, and the outer planets, the planets those are very far from the sun, they are called outer planet, and they are huge in size and gas in a gaseous form. So I'm giving a few questions to you, that you have to do it by yourself, because I think that after watching this video everything will be very clear to you. So question number 1 is that in how many parts the planets of the solar system can be classified? Yes, you are knowing the answer. Yes, in how many parts the planet of the solar system can be classified. Second is that inner planets and outer planets. You have to write the names of the inner planets and the outer planets, and with this you have to write 5 points on Earth, why the Earth is full of life. Yeah, we discussed the topic of Earth in our last 2 videos, so it is necessary to write the answer on this topic. So why write 5 points on Earth, why the Earth is full of life. So this is your today's homework, and I think that I'm very very clear to you. And if you have I think I will be clear. If there is any problem to you, I will make my videos very clear to you. So keep watching and do the activities, and with this the homework also you have to do. Okay, goodbye.